Hey guys, I'm back again. Highly requested my hair care routine. Let's do it. So I take really good care of my hair, I have to say. I don't often style it even because I'm very lucky. I've got a very naturally silky, soft, straight hair. But there are products that I use and a special routine that I do to make sure that my hair, because it's fine, it's prone to breakage and that kind of thing, so I still try to keep it nice and hydrated. I think first we'll start off with my routine when I'm at home, and then I'll tell you a little bit about my professional hair care that I get. Starting out in the shower, I use my Fudge Professional Cool Brunette. At the moment, I've used a bunch of kinds of shampoos in the past. I use everything from low end to high end, and at the moment this is what I'm using because I was sent it and it helps prevent your hair from getting brassy. And I don't like it when my hair starts to reflect red tones because personally I'm a cool tone kind of gal. I like to wear cool or neutral tones. So this helps keep my hair cool toned and helps keep the redness at bay. Okay, once I get out and my hair is wet, I've been using this product for a while, but I will always put a leave-in conditioner in or some kind of treatment in the ends of my hair. And this is the one I've been using for 6 months now, and there's still so much left. I use a lot. I just put it in the lengths and I use my hands. Oh look, hair is already coming out. Tell you what, that makes me nervous. I do take supplements for my hair. I take, fish oils. I take evening Primrose. I take DIM, D-I-M. I started taking that because when I went off the pill, it's meant to help stabilize your hormones. And I found that my nails and my hair were growing really fast when I took it. So I kind of still take that on and off. I don't take my supplements every day, I'm terrible. So I really love this hairbrush. This is by a brand called Ugly Swan. I have another size in it and it is so good. Brushing your hair, it never pulls your hair, like ever. You have to get one. Yeah, Ugly Swan. And the name of the brush is called Heroin. Oh my god, it's so good. I don't know how I lived without this brush. So yeah, I brush it through just to make sure it's getting every strand. So that's the Head Muck 20-in-1 Miracle Treatment. This softens and smooths, adds shine, prevents frizz and flyaways, nourishes dry, damaged hair, prevents split ends, reduces breakage, blah, blah, blah. It does like everything. So I put that in there. And then my hairdryer, you guys. Spending hundreds on a hairdryer isn't necessary, but this is the best hairdryer ever. Dyson. I don't know what I did without it. So you're not going to hear me for a while because even though they say this is really quiet, I guess it is quieter than my old ones. It's still noisy. It's a hairdryer. So I'm going to turn it on. I put it on the second heat setting. Go for it. This hairbrush is so good. I used to flip my hair, but now I just try to blow dry down the cuticle rather than like, I don't go like this and that kind of thing. Done, a little bit wet, you can see it still looks a bit stringy. But about now is when I would try to find my part, and I do that by pulling my hair back like that and then shaking it until I get one I like. There we go. And then I take like half of my hair back like this. Then I'll put it in a lower setting. And then I'll use my hairbrush to place things where I want. Okay, how's this looking? So good. Really nice. Feels so good. Very important in my hair routine is this, coloring in my roots. Okay? So I tuck my hair kind of behind my ears. As you can see, well, naturally I have a little bit of a cowlick here, so there's like this bald kind of patch where it goes back. This side doesn't really have it. I take my Clairol Root Touch-Up Powder. This is the shit. It's so good. Now I start on this side, pull my hair back, and then I start right back here and shade all this in. Yes! Get right in there. And then I even fill in this part. This makes my hair look thicker, it makes my hairline look more even, and my forehead look smaller. I push and blend it right back. And the good thing is this lasts until I next wash my hair. I don't have to put this in every day. Sometimes, you know, I might want to touch up the shape of the hairline, you know, after I take my makeup off. Sometimes it takes off part of this, but generally it stays pretty well because I go quite far back. As you can see, this side requires a lot less. Perfect. Honestly, that makes my forehead look so much smaller. I love it. Okay, now I take my R&Co Sail Soft Wave Spray. This helps you get natural looking voluminous waves. Lightweight spray adds natural volume and texture to your hair while giving you soft, supple, shiny waves. I like it. It says you should like scrunch it into your hair. I think it's just basically like a salty kind of wave spray. That obviously adds a little bit of dampness to my hair, which I think is okay if I go ahead with the styler now. Okay, the curler I use is this Cloud 9 conical wand. I love it. I have it on the lightest setting right now. Now I always just take this front little section first, taking the shortest pieces. Take that little front section, I rub the base of it over the hair so that I know those front parts are gonna sit against my forehead. And then I wrap it around about the middle. And then I don't, oops, these front pieces are hard because they're short. But basically, I hold the end so I don't curl the ends. I don't like that look. And then I kind of do this, stretch it out. Oh, look at that. See? So easy. I feel like it's taken me so long to understand how to do beachy waves because I'm not good at hair, or I've never been that good at hair. It's such a science. Same with this side. Okay, they look good. Once those are done, I start to move out. With the outer pieces, I normally put a bit of hairspray because I'm taking like thicker chunks. This is the Goldwell Gloss Style Magic Finish No. 3 Brilliance Hairspray. So same kind of thing, I wrap it around, obviously a bit more, and I leave a couple of inches at the end. I let it sit for a bit longer than the front pieces, and then I start to pull it down a bit. Okay, and then I will hold it in my hand to let it cool. Okay? I find it a bit easier if I try to mirror what I'm doing so that the curls are even and I can see, you know, how much I'm grabbing, if it's the right size chunk. Nice. They're matching pretty well. And then I'm just gonna move around my head. If I forget to spray it before, I just spray it after I've done the curl while it's sitting up like that. And then basically I try to make sure that the kinks kind of line up with each other. That way when I brush it out, it will look uniform and nice. Whew. Okay, done. Now I'll just spray one last coating of hairspray. It's definitely getting a lot more textured now, guys. As you can see, the brush has a lot of tension in it. So I brush it all through to make sure all the product is even and I can see how the curls are sitting. I love the look this gives my hair. It also makes it really easy to do pretty looks with these side pieces out because I love those side pieces. Then some statement earrings, and then, you know, I can put it in a little knot, can do my hair in a ponytail, whatever I want. But yeah, I like wearing my hair out lately, and now that I feel like I've managed to learn how to do these beachy waves, I'm obsessed with the look, and I do it like 4 times a month maybe. I find this lasts me 2 or 3 days, depending how hot it is. I do get a very oily scalp, but I do use dry shampoo. Usually not an aerosol dry shampoo. I love the Aveda one, but that helps keep my hairstyle lasting longer, and I'm always pretty happy with how well the curls last me. They generally last like 2 to 3 days. If I need to refresh them, then I just take my hair wand and refresh the front ones. Otherwise, I quite like how it like wears out and gets gradually less tight and more of like a bend. Other questions that I get, so I go to Academy Salon in Annandale and Ricky cuts my hair. He's amazing. He colors it as well. Oh, what the fuck is happening with this mascara? I get so many questions about my hair color, guys, but a good hair technician shouldn't just be picking the same color off the shelf. You know what I mean? Like, he custom mixes my color every single time, but Ricky did say that you should ask your hair technician or colorist for a rich, deep brown with minimal variation. So my hair is pretty much like one color. I think that's what that means. But yeah, I love having this hair color. It's pretty much my natural hair color, to be honest. I was born with very dark hair. I just really wanted to color it for that extra boost, and it also helps with hairstyling. Thanks guys for tuning in. I hope that you enjoyed this video and it answered your questions. I'll talk to you very soon. Bye.